Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter monomials. How grade 5 math? It's Wednesday today. On Wednesday, we have grade 1, grade 2, grade 9, and grade 10 session. That's Thursday when I do 3, 4, 5, and 6. You forgot it's Wednesday, not Thursday, isn't it? So, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So, here I'm on grade 9 math. The chapter we are on right now is monomials. Let's just start with the lesson. Here it is. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first one is identify monomials. Let's just start with the lesson. So the first example is NP a monomial? Or no, a monomial is a number, a variable, or product of numbers and variables, right? Monomials cannot include addition or subtraction. So NP is the product of variables, right? They include the product. You can read this definition carefully and keep in mind. A monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of two numbers and variables. So that's a product of two numbers, NP. So that yes, that is a monomial. Got it? Just look at the other example is 4 minus 2n square p plus 2p square q cube plus 5p a monomial. The correct option is no. That includes the addition sign, right? But the definition of the monomials is monomials cannot include addition or subtraction. Got it? Okay, so I'm going to start with the test questions. So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on this live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? So let's start with the test questions. You have to go to Skype now. You don't have to go to now Skype, right? You simply have to click on the live chat button. Okay, is 1 plus 4c a monomial? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is. No, it is not a monomial, right? Because it includes the addition sign. So the correct option is no, that is not a monomial. Okay, is 5km a monomial? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is a monomial, right? Km is the product. So product of variable and numbers is a monomial. So the correct option is yes. Is 1 plus 3n minus pq a monomial? So which is the correct option? The correct option is no, that is not a monomial. Monomials do not include the positive and the addition or subtraction signs. So the correct option is no. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is 3D a monomial? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is a monomial, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Is 3c square a monomial? Yes or no? The correct option is yes, it is a monomial. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is NP a monomial? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is a monomial. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is divide monomials. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, simplify 60 divided by 60. So when you divide 6 and 6 cancel out, right? 60 divided by 60, 6 and 6 cancel out, and also d and d cancel out. The other concept you can see is this d has the exponent 1, this d has the exponent 1, so that is d 1 minus 1, this the one that is in denominator would be subtracted, right? So that would be you're left with d exponent 0 and d exponent 0 is 1. So 60 divided by 60 equals 1. The correct option is 1. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. Okay, simplify 9 and 8 divided by 3 and 7. So first look at the numbers, right? They are 9 over 3. So just divide 9 by 3. 3 times what number is 9? 3 times 3 is 9, right? Now look at the variable n8 divided by n7. So they have the same bases are same, n is same, right? So you can subtract there exponents, that would be 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 3 and option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, so let's just move on to next one. Let's just start with the correct option is 3 and okay, let's just move on to next question. Okay, so the next one is 9m divided by 9m. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1. 9m divided by 9m equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Simplify 10h divided by 10h. So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 1. 10h divided by 10h is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 2c divided by 2c square. So which is the correct option? 2 and 2 cancel out each other, right? You are left with c divided by c square. So this c has the exponent 1 or this c has the exponent 2, right? So because they have the same basis, this 2 is subtracted. That would be c exponent 1 minus 2. So you are left with c exponent negative 1. So you can write it as 1 over c with a positive exponent. So the correct option is 1 over c. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 by c. The next one is 3a8 divided by 3a. So which is the correct option? The correct option is A exponent 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3y squared divided by 3y 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1 divided by y 4. Option number 2 is the number 3 is the correct option, right? That is 1 divided by y exponent 4 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 4u cubed divided by 4u 7. So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is option number 1 is the correct option. 1 divided by u 4 is the correct option. The next one is 9u 8 divided by 9u. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. That would be u exponent 7. Oh, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply monomials. Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Find the area. Simplify your answer. You are given a rectangle, right? You have to find the area. So the area of the rectangle is length time width. So you are given the length, that is 9, and you are given the width, that is 2x, and length, that is 9. You have to do 9 times 2x. So 9 times 2x is 18x. So that means the area of this rectangular shape is 18x. Okay, let's just start with the test question. So, if you need help with the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat option. Tutors are available there to help you during the shift timing, right? Find the area. So, which is the correct option? That is a triangle. You have to find the area of the triangle. How do we find? So the area of the triangle is you have to use the formula, right? That is half times base times height. So you have half, the base is 5, the height is 2x. So that would be 2 times 5 is 10x divided by 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. The correct option is 5x. So the correct option is 5x. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is find the area. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the very good. That is 18x. The area of the rectangle is 9 time width. So 9 times 2 is 18x. The correct option is 18. Find the area, which is the correct option. Yes, you have to multiply them, right? 2 times 3x. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6x square. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6x square. 3 times 2 is 6, and when you multiply the same variables, their powers are added, so that 6x square. Find the area. So which is the correct option? So the area of the rectangle is half time triangle is half times base times height. So when you solve, the correct option is yes, that is half times base times height. So yes, you are left with 7x. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the area. Simplify your answer. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 12x. Option number 2 is the, sorry, 21x. 7 times 3 is 21. So, option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply and divide monomials. Let's just start with the lesson. So that is just a review for both the lessons, right? So let's start with the first example. Simplify 7 divided by 5m square times m square. So you can do this question so many ways. Let's do the easier way. Just look at the denominator, right? That would be 5m square times 5m. So just when the bases are same, their exponents are added. That would be 5 plus 2. That makes 5m7. And the numerator you already have 10m7, so simply divide 5 times 2 is 7, and m7 and m7 cancel out each other, so you are simply left with you simply left with 2. Got it? So let's just start with the test questions. They are already solved. You can have a look on them later today. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that is exactly the one we just did, right? Right, the boy just tutorial. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is simplify 5f times 7f divided by 7f. So which is the correct option? 7f and 7f cancel out each other, right? And you are left with 5f. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, 5f it is. Okay, simplify 5k times 4k divided by 5k. So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 4k. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The next one is simplify. 5g 7g times 9g 9 divided by g cube. So which is the correct option? You have to multiply. Sorry, you can see here. You have to multiply all the numbers in the numerator. 9 times 6 is 7 is 63. That is 315. Now here you have 9, you have 1 and you have 1. It would be q exponent 11 divided by q exponent 3. So you can subtract this 3 out of the exponent 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. That is q exponent 8. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is option number 2. 315 g cube option. G8 option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, gv cube 8v 8 and 3v. So which is the correct option? That is 144 v12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is simplify 4q5 divided by q6 times q6. So which is the correct option? That is 1 divided by q7. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is option number 2. 3z square times 8z square times 10z divided by 3z 7. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2, that is 80 divided by z square. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2a8 divided by a times 2a times a5. So 2 and 2 cancel out, right? The denominator is 5, 6 and 7. So that would be a opposite, the you just left with a. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is monomials. The lessons we have covered today are identify monomials, divide monomials, multiply monomials, multiply and divide monomials, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor. They are available on the live chat button option, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.